If you run HVAC, your Google reviews are scoring you right now. Every complaint your customers left in the last 18 months, didn't call back, voicemail, no answer, went with someone else, those are public records. Anyone with $26 and 4 hours can scrape every HVAC business in your zip code, scan all the reviews, and rank you by how loudly your customers are leaking. I did this in Phoenix last month. 326 contractors ranked. The pattern is consistent. The HVAC companies with the worst missed call complaints are not the ones with bad service. They are the ones with great service who can't pick up after 5 p.m. because the owner is on a job site or the dispatcher went home. The reviews don't say they did bad work. They say they didn't answer. Different problem. For one of my clients, a salon, not HVAC, we replaced the after hours leak with a voice agent that answers, qualifies, books, and texts confirmations. Same phone number. Customers don't know the difference. The mechanic works identically for HVAC overflow and after hours. If your reviews mention any version of didn't call back, that's a fixable revenue leak, not a service problem. The fix is mechanical. DM me HVAC if you want to see how this works on a phone line.